guys? So I'm back, and we have episode 2, I think. Yeah. Episode 2 of our Let's Make a Game. And today I'm going to be doing Falling. I've done a bit of work on it. Here's what I have. So I have a blocks drawn relative to the player, but you can move the player through the blocks. And then I have jumping. That's a little bit slow. Maybe it should be a bit faster. Yeah. So then I have jumping, and there's no fall, so that's what I was going to do in today's video. And his feet are a little bit in the ground. Let's put him on this stone here. Yeah, his feet are kind of in the ground. So let me fix that. Let's do 97 here. Put 7s there, and maybe that will fix that, hopefully. Nope, still on the ground. Oh wait, that's not even the right one. This is for the height. So we're gonna do, let's do 43, because it's like, yeah. And I think one more pixel. Let's see, there. I think that's good. And that is also there, so inside a block there, so we're gonna 6 and do that. We're in the ground again. Oh. Yeah, we need this at like 40 then. And 100. 100. And, alright, I was doing the wrong things. That's a little bit above the ground. So, 99. And, alright, I can subtract more from these. So I think that was right when we had 5s here. Let's see. No. Kinda see. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, each time I'm moving though, I'm adding here, if you see on the screen, I am adding 0.05. So I think that's not the exact number that I need to add, but I think actually how much, I don't know, I'll it's not that big of a deal. So let's do falling. So what I was thinking was I was going to do, I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do this, but I don't want that public. I want a private int fall speed equals 0. I'm going to have that. We also want to make sure people can't walk into want to make sure people can't walk through walls. So let's do this. Let's go into player and let's do a new Boolean is on ground, and yeah, we'll do that in a second. We want to check if player dot no, not the player this dot get location. Well, we don't need. We can do this dot y. Now let's do this dot get location so we can get the block x. Get the block y, I mean. If that, we're gonna have to, shoot. So let's add in, and import screen, and then here when we created player up here, we want to this. And so if we go back here, yeah, we're gonna check if the location, the block location, and we actually want to do screen dot map, and this is going to be the first one, and then this dot, so we need another, this dot get location dot get block x dot get ID does not equal block dot error, and we don't have to import block. Cool. And if so, that what that checks here, what that does is screen dot map is the where is it? Oh, here. This is the map that stores all the blocks. It is a array, a double array. I don't know what to call that. Yeah. So it checks if the block location, both x. Oh, this is backwards. It checks if both the locations in that map, not both, if the player's location here does not equal error, so if there's a block there, then we're going to return true to is on ground, and then otherwise return false, because it's storing the blocks in certain places, and then it's drawing the player one block above where they actually are in the map, if that makes any sense. So like if the player, by default, the player is at 100, 100, and if there's a block stored at 100, 100, which there's a dirt block, and you can see this dirt block is actually stored at 100, 100, but the player is also stored at 100, 100. So the player is being drawn one block above its actual location here. I just did that to make things easier, like for this example. And yeah, it shouldn't be a big deal for anything. Yeah. So then we want to go to screen. We're going to here. This is jumping. If player dot is on ground now. Then we're going to do fall speed plus equals 0.1. Then and let's do else if fall speed equals 0, fall speed equals no. There we go. Then we need to player set location. Player dot get location get x, and player dot get location dot get y. And we want to subtract the fall speed from y. So I think so that didn't work. Let's print something. Let's print player dot is on ground. So it should hopefully print. Alright, it's saying true. Now when we jump, it quits saying anything. Let's put an else, just in case. It just stops. It doesn't say anything all of a sudden when we jump. But if we, yeah. We actually, when we check if player is on the ground, we check if the block they're on is not air, and we also have to check if this dot, let's do if this dot y minus this dot math dot floor this dot y, if that equals 0, then they're on the ground. And so what I'm doing is this dot y, which is their y location, and it's a double, so it can be like 0.2 or something. If that minus math.floor, that number, which is going to round it down, so if it's like, let's say 5.5, we're going to do if 5.5 minus math.floor 5.5, which is going to do 5, so 5.5 minus 5, actually 0.5 is equal to 0, which it's not, then it will return true also. But I don't know why. So yeah, it's not only if they're in the block now, it's if they're on the ground, so. Boop. Okay, I know what's happening too. Well, why it's not saying true in chat anymore, but I don't know why it's not doing that, but let's do that. And then we want to jumping goes false and player dot set location. Let's see. And we'll do the same thing because I'm lazy. I'll copy it. We'll do the same thing and for Y, and so that jumps perfectly a block. That didn't jump perfectly one block. That's weird. It's not jumping perfectly one block. When we open the location, let's do math.floor instead. And we have to import math, I think, now. Is there a math.round? Or something like that? That'd be helpful. Let's see. Round, there is. Great. I'll do that here too then. Round. And maybe that will work. Alright, now it's being really weird. It's like going to the nearest block. Well, I'm gonna try to fix this. I've been uploading my other video as I was doing this. Well, I'm gonna try to fix this. Yeah, this is the end of this episode. I'll fix it and show you guys in episode 3. Thanks for watching. Bye.